Hi and welcome to the Nicla Sense setup tutorial series. In this tutorial, we shall cover how to update the firmware of the BHI260AP. There are three methods. The first method is to update it over the BLE. Let's start with opening a web server. Open the DFU page and connect to the device. Select the BHI and select a compatible firmware to upload. Ensure the firmware is for the flash. The next method is by programming the Nicla's main microcontroller. To do this, ensure that you have the board connected via USB. Load the BHI firmware update sketch under example Arduino BHI2. In order to have a custom firmware loaded, make sure you have the flash firmware. In order to convert the flash firmware to a C binary blob in a header file, you will need a bash shell. In this example for Windows, we use the git bash. Follow the instructions in the comments. Open the git bash to convert the firmware binary into a C header file. Open the serial monitor via Tools to track the progress of the board. Then hit upload to the BHI firmware update sketch to the Nicla board. The method 3 is to update the firmware over the SLOF port. In order to do this, you need to first load the app sketch to the Nicla Sense and the pass-through sketch on the Arduino BHI2 host to a compatible companion board. Follow the following procedure on how to use a BHI controller. Thanks for watching.